This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're about to block a site permanently. Start by confirming the exact domain and any subdomains you must stop. Once confirmed, choose your method: local hosts file for one device, router for entire network, or DNS/parental control for wider control. Make a quick backup of the host's file or router configuration and note admin credentials so you can revert if needed. Begin now by opening the host's file or logging into the router's admin panel to start adding rules. Now implement the chosen method step by step. If editing hosts, add lines mapping each target to 127, 0, 0, 1 and save with elevated privileges, flush DNS cache afterward. If using the router, find URL/IP filtering or parental controls and add the domain and subdomains, then apply and reboot the router. For DNS or firewall approaches, select a blocking DNS service or create an explicit deny rule for the site's IPs. Test from multiple devices to ensure the block propagates across your network. Finish by verifying the block on different devices and browsers, clearing browser and DNS caches to confirm results. If the site still loads, make sure users aren't using VPNs, proxies, or alternative DNS. Block those services or enforce DNS at the router. Also check for HTTPS and CDN hosting, which may require IP-level blocking or firewall rules. Keep backups of your configuration and log any changes so you can audit later. If issues persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.